So how can you link your profile to the music, or how can you add the music to your profile? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you're not gonna miss anything important. So first of all, naturally, you need to open up your Instagram, go to your profile and click on edit profile. And it kind of depends on your specific account type, because for example, I might show you a business account in here, and that means that I do not see the ability to add music in here, right? However, if I go to the edit mode on a different account on Instagram, I will have, or I might have, that ability right here, because I can see the option to click on music and just choose from the trending music, or look up something on my own, or go to the saved list and just add that to my profile. So it kind of works a little bit different based on your account type. So if you need to, just switch to a different type, perhaps become a creator or have it set to personal if you want to have access to all of these features. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your device according to your preferences. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm gonna see you later in the next videos as well. Subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you in those tutorials.